What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone, and today's topic will be how to integrate Google search with Langchain agent and OpenAI. So here we'll be going to actually do something from Google search. Means we will ask our our Langchain agent to perform something or some action. So what it will do, it will go to web, it will do a Google search, it will take the help from underlying LLM, that is OpenAI, to do some filtration like based on our question, and from that it will generate the final answer. Means first I will ask a question. Okay, uh, first I will ask one question, and then what will happen, then the question will be actually like uh, uh, kind of forwarded to Google search, and Google will generate some sort of result, maybe chunk of results, and those results will be parsed, and the all the filtration and other things will be done by LLM like OpenAI, and based on that we'll get the answer. So maybe if you want to actually understand the concept, maybe the theory is actually not going to help you. So what I'll do, I'll try to start the coding immediately, but before that you have to understand. So when I'm saying it will send something to the Google search, or it will do some Google search, it means we'll be going to use Google search API. So the API called is actually Sur API. Okay, so how to get access to this API? So first I will copy this link. Okay, and I open it here and I paste it here. Okay, so basically, right, then what will happen, then it will ask me to log in. So I will click on this thing and I log in. Okay, so once the login is done, I'll be going to get this API key. So you can see this API key here, and I will definitely regenerate the API key once this is done. So basically this link is very important. So what I'll do, I will upload this link and this slide to the GitHub. So now I'll start working on the code, okay, directly. So let's open it here. So basically it was the tutorial 8, so I have to actually close the folder, and then I will open another folder, and it will be GitHub, then LLM, and then probably tutorial 9. Okay, so let's select the folder, and then I will write main.py. okay, and we'll start writing the code now. Okay, so basically I'll be going to first import the LLMs, import the libraries or modules, and after that I'll be going to actually configure the Sur API or Sur API. Okay, Sur API. Okay, so let's see. So from Langchain, okay, dot agents, right, then import agent type, and then tool, and then initialize agent. Okay, right, then what will happen, from Langchain dot LLMs, okay, import OpenAI. So basically, okay, just leave it. So what I will do, I'm thinking I can use maybe I can use chat models. Okay, and I'll be going to use chat OpenAI. Okay, done. Then what will happen, then we'll be going to actually import the Sur API wrapper, so which is part of Langchain like utilities. So we need to import OS actually for setting up the API key. So import OS, and then okay, like this, and then from Langchain utilities, then Sur API wrapper. So why this is not coming? So it is Sur API. I don't know. Let's say Sur API. No, I don't know why it is not coming. Maybe we need to import the Langchain with the upgraded version, but let's see whether it is working or not. Sur API, API, then W. Alright, so API, the API and I will be capital. So API, then WRA PPER, right? So let's import and see if I'm getting any error or not. Yes, so no error. So first let's set up the environment variable. So basically, so OS dot environment, but don't try the set at the production environment, because in the production environment you should not actually expose your API key indirectly in the source code. So for that you definitely have to use something from the config, like environment config, like which will be going to set directly on your environment, not in the code. Okay, or you can use some config file. Okay, API underscore key, right? So it will be Sur API underscore key, and like this. And then what will happen? We're going to copy this thing. Okay, done. So let's see whether it is working. Up to this part is working or not. Okay, I think it's working, no error. Now let's do the other part. So now let's going to configure the LLM. So so in small LLM is actually it will be chat OpenAI, then temperature is equal to 0.0, and then model equals to GPT-4, right? Now we'll be going to generate the tool set now. So basically in the tool, before we are going to create our tool set, we'll be going to create an object of this thing, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see whether I'm getting something or not. Yeah, now it is saying Sur API which contains it or pass it. So basically, okay, so Sur API underscore key did not find any. So basically, actually it is giving some error here, but I did a mistake. It will be ACRP, Sur API. Okay, so yeah, it's working, but due to some spelling mistake it gave me the error. Okay, tell me. Okay, so now it is saying it is working, but it is not able to create this object because I need to install this thing. Okay, yeah, so let's install this thing. So pip3 install okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's done. Let me do the thing clear. Okay, so now what will happen? Now our like this object has been created. So this thing. So basically now if you see, this is actually like an object. Okay, so now what will happen? Now we'll be going to actually create a variable called tools. Okay, and it will be combination of multiple tools. Okay, so we're going to write tool, something like this. Okay, tool, and it will be like this, and here we'll be going to pass all this thing. So basically first name, so you can give any name. So we'll be going to just give intermediate answer. Okay, then what will be the function? So func func will be search dot run. Now you will ask me from where I'm actually getting these things. Is a function, so I'll be going to run this thing, and we'll be going to give a description, right? So description and name, you can give anything. So basically I just write description. You can perform any search. Okay, right? So now we'll be going to actually create the agent, right? So basically I just write search underscore agent. Okay, it's going to be initialize agent, and here I'll be just going to do first, I'll be going to import this tools. Okay, like this tools. Okay, then LLM equals to LLM, right? So import tools, then LLM, then maybe agent, right? Equals to agent type, sorry, agent type dot self ask quick search, then verbose equals to true. Okay, everything is fine. Now I'll be going to do the searching. Okay, so basically just do the spelling mistake, correction of the spelling mistake. Okay, now let's do something. Print search agent dot run, and there will be going to ask some question. Okay, so what is the birthday of the last last World Cup finalist goalkeeper? What is the birthday of the last FIFA World Cup finalist goalkeeper from winning side? Let's see. It's a complex thing, but I'll try. I want to try. Okay. So Amy Martinez is the goalkeeper. Okay. So basically it is saying an output error occurred, so handle parsing error in the agent executor. Okay. So basically so maybe I can just write agent executor, and maybe I can just write something here. So maybe agent executor dot handle parsing error. It has to be true, right? Let's see. Okay, let's see it is working or not. Parsing error occurred. In order to pass the error back to the agent, it will try again. Pass handle parsing and agent executor. This could not parse output. This is the error, could not parse the output. So basically it is saying that it is not able to parse the output. Okay. So I'm just thinking how to actually deal with this thing. Agent executor, initialize agent. Okay. Many problem is actually here. And I think this agent executor is here, but I haven't passed that agent executor at the top. Okay, so maybe I don't know why this is giving the error, so maybe LLMs. Okay, and let me actually try this thing here. Open, because I don't know why this error is coming here. We need to fix this thing. Okay, and then let's see, and probably I need to remove this GPT-4 now. Let's see. Yes, so basically there should not be any model. Okay, by default it will take it, so let's see whether it is okay. Hopefully it will do the trick now. Yes, see, Emiliano Martinez. So Emiliano Martinez, it got the result, right? Okay, so now FIFA World Cup finalist goalkeeper from the losing side. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So it's a France goalkeeper, the captain of France. Okay. Yes. Search. Okay. Okay. FIFA World Cup final percent to the highest score, most in the team. World Cup. So okay, so maybe maybe I can just ask something here. Let's see. Let's ask in a different way. Okay, so it is not giving me the correct answer because the FIFA World Cup finalist goalkeeper from losing side was someone different. I don't remember the exact name, but it is not that. So maybe who is the, maybe I can just search who was the goalkeeper for France in last FIFA World Cup. Okay, let's see. So it is asking the intermediate question. Okay. Okay, it is saying the last FIFA World Cup was in 2018, which is completely wrong. Okay. Last FIFA World Cup was actually in 2022. Yeah, Hugo Lloris is correct. The goalkeeper for France, Hugo Lloris. Yes, but it is giving me the wrong answer. Okay, it is not who was the goalkeeper for France in last FIFA World Cup in Qatar. So let's ask some intelligent questions. So it is not that much of intelligent. So if somebody from the Langchain team is watching this video, so hopefully you guys understand like what it is lacking still and what needs to be improved, right? So now it is able to do Hugo Loris, right? So I have to do some more filtration. It is not that much intelligent to understand, because if I remove this Qatar, then it is not giving me the correct answer. So basically guys, it's a platform where actually you guys can explore and learn many things by the mistakes. You can learn it from your own mistake, and also you can learn it from, I cannot call it as a mistake, sorry for that, because there's a huge team working on this thing, right? So basically it's a bug, and every new bug comes with certain new opportunities for the next release. So basically I believe definitely they know this fact and they will work on it. But again, it's an amazing tool if you want to do something related to Google search and generate some filtered like result or answer. Definitely you can try this API, and you can use it with Langchain and Langchain, so that you can easily integrate with the API, and whatever results we are generating will be going to parse this thing and do some filtration by this LLM, right? It will do some question answer and everything with the help of LLM. So let me ask some different question. Okay, who was the president of USA when 9/11 happened? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's now able to get the correct result. Yeah. Okay. Who was the president of, let's say, India? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yes, I believe it is giving the correct answer. Not correct answer. It is not giving the correct answer. So if you see, okay. Oh, okay. It's giving the correct answer to office. So maybe it's not able to parse this thing. That is a something they need to work. Okay. Okay. So now maybe some more question. Who was the prime minister? Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is saying that in 2001 India's prime minister was Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so of course it is not giving the correct answer, so I don't know like from where actually it is generating the result. So basically yeah, for learning purpose I actually am kind of worried, because this is not generating the correct answer. So I don't know like where is the actually problem. Is it the problem from the Google search API, the Sur API, I mean in the Langchain agent part, like here in the utilities, or problem is actually with this OpenAI LLM, that it is not able to get the correct answer. So maybe now we'll be going to ask the interesting question. Who was the Prime Minister of India in 2001, right? In 2001. So definitely now it should give me the correct answer. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Who was the Prime Minister of India in 2081? So maybe the thing is that maybe I think the OpenAI LLM is actually not able to parse the written like results from this thing, this search API. Okay, so yeah, I don't think like I should spend much time on this thing, because I believe you guys already got the understanding a little bit of concept like which is evolving around the search API and Langchain. Okay, so hopefully just stay tuned with the documentation of this Langchain, like this Langchain playlist, cause in the future definitely they will improve and we will get better, like promising answer. Yeah, answers are like still we are getting correct, but your prompt has to be like accurate, right? If you are going to do something where you expect that it will be intelligent enough to give you the correct answer, it is not able to do it. Because see, I'm asking it that please tell me the name of the Prime Minister of India around like 9/11 event. So it is saying this Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, but it is not the correct answer. But when I give the exact year, it is able to do it. Okay, so guys, just because I promised you guys that I'll be going to touch base on each and every component of the Langchain, so that is why I should not miss this part, which is a very important thing, Google Search API. But again, don't spend a lot of time on this tutorial, because you can see the results are not promising. So just try to understand the concept. Maybe you can actually write something with your own code, and after that just move ahead or go ahead with the next tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to conclude the tutorial here, but before I conclude, I would like to again request all of you, it's a humble request guys, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend, and also please hit the bell notification icon so that you should not miss any video for the future. Second thing, if you think something could be done in a better way, or if you have any other use case for our like a tutorial, please feel free to write that in the comment box. We'll come up with all those tutorials. And if you are getting some sort of help from our video, just let us know by putting some positive feedback, so that it will indirectly and directly motivating us, and also it will help us to reach or like crack the Google algorithm, because until and unless we are not getting larger audience, like our viewership will not increase. So we would like to actually reach larger audience, so please help us guys. We are actually very much grateful to all of you, but still we need more help. Okay, and last recommendation is actually don't just watch our videos, try to watch our videos 1 or 2 times, and after that just try to write the code by your own with some other use case, because see, these things are very small part, the actual picture will be very big when you start working in the company. So if you want to actually become expert, or you want to expertise or gain expertise, then you have to write the code. Until and unless what you are not writing the code, you will not get the confidence, not gain the confidence. Okay, so enough of talking guys, we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day and happy learning.